Hi friends, this is how you are going to do the Subitizing cards. You're going to click on View, then Present, and then go to the Settings or the Options button, Auto Advance, and start off easy. It's going to give you options of how fast you want the cards to go. Start off with every 5 seconds, and then you hit play. As they show the cards, you say the number 3, 2, 4, 5, and so on. After you go through this set one time, hit the Options button, go to Auto Advance, and see if you can do it faster. You can try every 3 seconds, you can try every 2 seconds, you can even try every second. So let's try every 2 seconds. Start from the beginning, and then we'll hit play. 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5. And what I want you to do is to go through and see if you can do it without needing to count the dots, but looking at the arrangement and knowing how many is in that arrangement. So if you need to start with 5 seconds, start with 5 seconds. If you want to start with more than that, if you need more time than that, you can start with 10 seconds. If you feel like you can start with less time, then you start with 3 seconds or 2 seconds. And that's how you do Subitizing cards. Good luck!